Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be learning how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your MacBook. So it is very easy, so it will make sense if we download it from a Safari, right? Okay, so Safari is your default browser. So what you want to do is you can either search on here or here. Both are actually search bar. So you can search for Firefox download. Okay, and then you want to make sure it's from mozilla.org. So there will be this button, this option for you to click download Firefox browser. So click on download Firefox. Almost there. Now open the file that just downloaded, allow, and then it will be downloaded, and then it should be downloading very fast. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you can either click on here or it should be at your desktop or in your download folder over here. So you just want to double click this, and then you wouldn't believe this, but I mean, if you have not installed an application before, an app or a software on a MacBook before, this is very easy. This is easier than Windows. Windows is like you have to double click it and then you have to read a bunch of stuff and then you have to click through a lot of stuff. But on a MacBook, it is as easy as click, drag, and drop into this. But since I already have Firefox, so it doesn't make sense for me to install another one. So now you know. So this is how easy it is. You just click, drag, and then drop inside. And that is how easy it is for you to download and install an app on a MacBook. So now you know. So please do let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.